Hey there, friends! It's time to dive into some super fun daily routines. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, let's talk about getting ready in the morning. Imagine waking up to a brand new day full of adventures. Start by stretching like a big, tall giraffe. Can you reach the sky? Now let's brush those pearly whites. Grab your toothbrush and make big circles just like you're drawing a picture. Don't forget to wash your face and comb your hair. You're looking fantastic. Next, it's cleanup time. Cleaning up can be a blast if you turn it into a game. Try racing against the clock. Can you put all your toys away in just 1 minute? Ready, set, go! Or maybe you can pretend you're a superhero, zapping away the mess with your superpowers. Zap, zap, look at that! Your room is neat and tidy. High five! Finally, it's bedtime. Bedtime doesn't have to be boring. How about a cozy story time? Snuggle up with your favorite blanket and listen to a magical story. Or you can make up your own story and share it with your family. Don't forget to say goodnight to your favorite toys. They need rest too. Remember, routines can be fun and exciting. They help us get ready for new adventures every day. So, let's make them the best part of our day. Thanks for joining me, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.